We trialled the Oculus Rift headset on Lake George, a large ephemeral lake in southeastern New South Wales, where the lake bed is dated at more than 1 million years old. Geoscience Australia has previously collected data on the geology here, including seismic and magnetic data and sediment samples. Out in the field, we want to visualise all of the subsurface data we've collected in its correct location. We've developed a custom Android application that uses the phone's GPS for positional tracking. The position information is sent to the data visualization software, where a virtual camera tracks this position as well as our head rotation. This 3D view of the data is streamed to the Oculus Rift headset, so as you move your head, you can see the data appearing in exactly the right place. We can toggle different data sets on and off, such as seismic lines, resistivity and boreholes, as well as 3D surfaces and volumes. The data shown is rendered to each eye simultaneously, giving the viewer a great sense of depth and immersion. You feel like you're able to look right down through the earth at the data concealed literally beneath your feet. To capture this demonstration video, we attached a point-of-view camera to the front of the headset and then recorded the video footage and the head rotation data. We then rendered the different data sets out as animations and composited them over the top of the live action footage. You can literally walk around in the headset examining the data. For example, we were able to walk the entire length of the seismic line towards the borehole. The Oculus Rift allows us to see the landscape out here quite differently than we usually would. It brings together the physical experience of standing on the surface and observing visible features of the landscape such as land use, vegetation and surface geology, and combines these with a visualization of the subsurface. By enabling all of this to be brought together into the same immersive environment, we can help scientists to see how their data sets and models connect in the real world and potentially help them spot any anomalies or new opportunities. We can also use the Oculus Rift to create new experiences for non-science audiences, such as policymakers, future investors, and education groups.